Welcome guys in our YouTube tutorial. So in our last session we have learned how to read any CSV file by using Scala in DataBricks. So now we have the data in our data frame, and if you want to see or learn these steps, please follow my previous video, that is DataBricks read CSV file in Scala, and we are going to link that video in this tutorial as well. So right now we have the data inside the data frame, and here we can perform various operations and transformation on it using the Spark API. So first of all, yeah. So first of all, uh, we are going to use Scala uh, to do the transformation kind of stuff. Okay, and then here we have the data frame dot print schema. So this is the method which can provide all the information about our data, like which kind of the data we have, like amp id, amp name, designation, manager id, manager name, and their data type, if they are nullable or not nullable. Okay, now if you want to see the columns in your data frame, so you can use columns. Okay, like, so in columns you can see employee id, employee name, designations, manager id, and manager name is the column in your data frame. Now you want to display all the duplicate records in your data frame. So it is very easy in Scala as well, as we seen in we have already seen in Python and PySpark, but right now we are going to find out the duplicates record in data frame by using Spark. Okay, so to do this, what I need to do here, simply I need to import some additional libraries which will help us to accomplish this job. So we are going to import additional libraries. Okay, so import this, import. So here org is common, then Apache, then Spark, then SQL. So we are going to use SQL dot functions. Okay, dot, yep. So we are calling all the features in function. Okay, now we are going to create a variable val find duplicate. Okay, now we are going to use df dot so we are going to use df dot group by then df dot columns dot map. So we are going to find out duplicates in each column. Then call. Okay, so we are passing every column here dot count. So we are going to apply count aggregate inbuilt method. Then we are passing where. So for where, what we are going to do, I'm going to press enter from here. Okay, where we are saying our count dollar our count is greater than 1. Okay, then we are going to execute this method. Okay, so here, okay, now we are going to print some additional method, printf so duplicates. Then what we are going to do, one more thing is here. The name of our variable is find duplicates, then so. Okay, now we are going to run this. Okay, so you can see we have row level duplicates, that is 5 row for this column. Every row it duplicates for 5 times here. So guys, you can see it is very easy to find the duplicate rows in a data frame by using Scala. Please like, share and comment if you have any question, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching us.